This is Niger seeds. It looks like the black til, but this is not black til. This is a longer version. We get the black til in a different shape. We make chutney out of this. The name for this is Ramtil, Jagni, jatangi, Khurasini, Karla, etc. Chutney is made out of this dry chutney. For that you need red chilli, salt, hing powder. Then if you wish you can add garlic in this, or you can make it with only the til, red chilli and salt, and dry coconut, that is copra. That also you can use it. I'm going to wash this and put it in a kitchen towel for drying this. Then only I'll be roasting this separately. Chili you have to roast separately, and the copra also you have to roast separately, and the garlic also. Wash it and drain the excess water from this, and then put it in on a kitchen towel to dry this. Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavin Suai. Today I am going to make Karla Chutney. Karla means it's a kind of til it is. It's a long one. This is the normal til. See the shape of this is different. This is also kind of til only, sesame seed only. For making the chutney I have taken 100 grams of til, washed and dried it on a kitchen towel yesterday night, and today it is dried up. I have taken 2 tablespoons of dry coconut, 4 to 5 Kashmiri chilli, 4 garlic cloves with the skin on it, salt, hing powder, 1 tablespoon of peanut, dried curry leaves I have taken. Now this we don't need. So the kadai is hot. I am putting the til in it, and you have to dry roast this on a very low flame, and all the items are to be dry roast only. You will get this in any provision shop. You ask for Karla or long til, you will get this. If you don't get, you can use the normal sesame seed, white or black as you like. And tamarind and jaggery or sugar also you can add to this. Roast the tamarind also if you are adding. Along with the red chilli and garlic, you grind the tamarind if you are using it. Peanut you put at the last moment only because it has oil in it, so you have to add at the last minute. When you roast the til, you will get a sound. You can hear the sound like that. When you roast this also, you will be able to hear the noise, that crackling noise. So that time you have to remove the til from the gas. Now it's time to remove this. I'll transfer this into a pot now. Now we'll dry roast the chili. Spice according to your requirement, you can increase the number of chilies in this. I need less spice, so I have taken around 4 red chili only. I have fried the chili and I have kept it aside. Now the coconut. You can roast this till it is slightly brown in color. Time to remove this also. I've added the curry leaves. This is optional. Jaggery optional. Tamarind is also optional. I've roasted the garlic, peanut and other ingredients. Now I have put the chili in the mixer. First I'll grind the chili, then I'll add all these items. Finally the garlic and the peanut along with salt and hing powder. This you have to cool it completely. Chili is ground. Now I'll add the other items. I've ground this coarsely. Now I'll add the peanut, garlic, salt and hing powder and just pulse it. The chutney is ready. This is also known as Tilkut in Marathi. So Karla Chutney, this you can serve it along with Bhakri, dal rice, Chapathi. And when I tasted it in my friend's house, I really liked that taste because she had added tamarind and jaggery or sugar in it. And this tastes slightly different. So it's optional. If you wish you can add, otherwise you can skip it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. If you are watching my channel for the first time, and then you press the bell icon and all options so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.